I have a young daughter who is 7 years old who attends Alta Vista, and she is a part of the Girl Code. And they have speakers that come in and speak with them, and they show different activities on how they can have confidence and be empowered to overcome any obstacle. And I feel like if we continue that, then when they get here to high school and they come to the women's empowerment, that is the same scenario. So we're just plugging into them more empowerment, more ways to conquer your goals.
You're just trying to make sure they are more mature for when they get ready to go to middle school, make sure they have the proper guidance for them to grow and blossom.
When I come home, they're like, I don't ever say anything harsh or like I don't really have like an attitude, or I don't go home and just say, no, thank you. I actually put it into action of what I learned in Girls Code, and I take it home.
And you see the difference of some of the girls that come to Girls Code besides the ones that don't. They come more prepared, ready to learn, more willing to help others.
I feel like empowering a young lady at an early age is personal to me, because I feel like when you do that, then they can conquer anything in their future, in their life. And success comes from being empowered, and we want to empower our young ladies so that they can be successful in their life goals.
And if we start young, if we start seeing other women being successful, teaching us, giving us advice, we are able to help the future generation.
It's so amazing. Like, I can talk about my feelings and how things that I need to work on and not be ashamed.
I love that, because I feel like if we just keep pushing it into them and pouring into them, then they can't go wrong. And if we start early, then they'll learn. They will become better leaders, and they'll lead our community one day, and that's what we want.